Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise the grammar topic, the noun and its kinds of noun. Let's start the grammar topic, the noun. The grammar topic, the noun. First, before we are going to revise the grammar topic noun, we will see some example like study the following sentences and notice the words in bold. First is Mira is a melodious singer. I live in Delhi. There is a big table in the center of the room. Joy and sorrow are parts of life. Honesty is the best policy. Here the words in red color indicates here the words in red color are the name of person, name of place, name of things, name of feelings or condition, and also the name of quality. Here Mira is the name of person. Delhi is the name of city that indicates the name of place. Table and room are the name of things. Joy and sorrow are the name of feelings or condition. Honesty is the name of quality. Name of the quality. Here Mira is the name of person. Table and room are the name of things. Honesty is the name of quality. Delhi is the name of place. Joy and sorrow are the name of condition. All these words in bold or purple color are noun. So my dear, we classify the definition of the noun is a noun is a word used to name a person, place, things, condition or quality. Example of nouns: person like Mohan, girl, woman, man, etc. The name of place like Meerut, Australia, school, hospital, Delhi, Mumbai, etc. The name of things like here, the name of things here, chair, pen, tree, book, watch, benches, table, door, etc. The name of condition like happiness, anger, sorrow, youth, etc. Quality: truthfulness, courage, bravery, honesty, etc. Here there are five kinds of nouns, that is, those are proper noun, common noun, Those are proper noun, second proper noun, second common noun, and collective noun, and abstract noun, and material noun. Kinds of noun is, there are 5 kinds of nouns. First is proper noun, second is common noun, third is collective noun, fourth is abstract noun, and material noun. Okay, my dear. Now we will discuss about the kinds of nouns. Let's start the discussion of the 5 kinds of noun. First is proper noun. A proper noun names a particular person, place, or things. For example, Nitu is the name of particular person. Kerala names a particular place. The Ganga names a particular river. Repeat again, my dear. A proper noun. Proper noun names a particular person, place, or things. For example, Nitu names a particular person. Kerala names a particular place. The Ganga names a particular river. Shortly, a proper noun always begins with a capital letter. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Shortly, a proper noun named a particular person, place, or things like Nitu, Alpesh, Ramesh, Ashwin, Anita, Suresh, etc. Also names a particular place like Kerala, Delhi, Ajmer, Mumbai, India, Australia, etc. Names of particular river like the Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, etc. Shortly, a proper noun names a particular person, place, or things. Second kind is common noun. A common noun. Second kind is common noun. A common noun names a person, place, or things, or things of the same kind. It is not a particular name. Repeat again, my dear. A common noun names a person, place, or things of the same kind. It is not a particular name. For example, people, mother, father, boy, girl, student, teacher, etc. All these are used as the common noun. Animal, dog, cat, elephant, lion, tiger, etc. are used as a common noun. Things like names of things like table, book, computer, pencil, car, etc. are used as a common noun. Places like school, hospital, city, state, country, etc. are used as a common noun. A proper noun names a particular person, place, or things, while a common noun names a person, place, or things of the same kind. Okay, first is a particular noun of the person, place, or things. Second is the common noun for the person. It is names the common person, things, or place that is same kind. Okay, it is not a particular name. Okay. Third is collective noun. A collective noun names a collection of person or things taken together as a group. For example, army is a collection of soldiers. Second, fleet. Fleet is a collection or group of ships. Team is a collection or group of players. Herd is a collection or group of cattle. Troop is a collection of dancers. Shortly, a collective noun can be used as a common noun also. For example, team, armies, bundles, etc. are used as a common noun. Okay, my dear. Now, abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of an abstract noun names the state, quality, feeling or ideas that we cannot see or touch but can only think of. An abstract noun names the state. An abstract noun names the state, quality, feeling or ideas that we cannot see or touch but can only think of. For example, words like beauty, heat, truth, love, pain, courage, health, honesty, importance, hatred, success. All these are abstract noun. Material noun. A material noun names the matter or substance of which things are made up of. For example, silver, iron, gold, cotton, plastic, fiber, milk, etc. are used as a material noun. Okay, my dear. Now, there are 5 kinds of noun: proper noun, second, common noun, third, collective noun, fourth, abstract noun, and fifth is material noun. Okay. Nouns are also classified as Nouns are also classified as countable noun and also uncountable noun. First is countable noun. Countable noun can be counted in number. They have both singular and plural form. For example, boy, boys, chair, chairs, bench, benches, eggs, eggs, dog, dogs, pencil, pencils. Uncountable noun cannot be counted in numbers. They do not have plural form. For example, health, advice, rice, milk, butter, perfume, etc. There is another way in which classification of nouns can be done. P is abstract noun and concrete nouns. Abstract noun. Abstract nouns names things you cannot see, hear, smell, taste, or feel only. They are not tangible. They are not tangible. They name state of mind, ideas, and qualities. For example, love, fear, anger, bravery, desire, creativity, uncertainty, etc. Concrete noun. Concrete noun stands or concrete noun stands for something that has a physical form. It's something that can be touched, seen, and acquires a position in space. People, place, and things all are concrete noun, like ant, lion, kangaroo, school, market, bottle, table, glass, milk, water, etc. Now we will see the formation of abstract noun from the adjective. Adjective noun, abstract nouns formed from adjective. Here adjective B-R-A-V-E. We add here R-Y that makes an abstract noun like a bravery. Here honest. We add here Y HONESTY, honesty. Dark, here we add NES that makes a abstract noun like darkness. Dark, that abstract noun is darkness. True, here we remove E and add TH, that abstract noun. True, that abstract noun is truth. Okay. Deep, depth. Poor, poverty. Great, greatness. Beautiful, beauty. Long, length. Proud, pride. Now, second, abstract noun formed from common noun like boy. We use here boyhood. Child, we use here childhood. Friend, friendship. King, kingship. Man, manhood. Slave, slavery. Thief, theft. Mother, motherhood. Hero, heroism. Honor, ownership. Here, third is abstract noun formed from verbs like advise. Here advise, ADVISE, that abstract noun is advise, ADVICE. Arrive, ARRVE, arrival. Choose, choice. Depend, depends. Die, death. Failure, failure. Live, life. Punish, punishment. Think, thought. Succeed, success. Okay. Now we will solve some exercises from the other grammar book. Now we will solve some exercise like exercise first. Encircle the noun in the following sentences and write whether they are common, proper, collective or abstract or material noun. First is gold is a precious metal. Here gold is proper noun. Gold is material noun. Precious is abstract noun and metal is also common noun. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Here Pacific is proper noun, ocean is common noun. Rohan's father is a doctor. Here Rohan is proper noun, father is common noun and doctor is also common noun. This is an amazing band of musicians. Here amazing is adjective but it is used as an abstract noun. Band is collective noun. Musician is a common noun. Our army, here army is collective noun. Great is abstract noun and courage is also abstract noun. His mother gave him a good advice. Here mother is common noun. Good is abstract noun and advice is also abstract noun. Here great and good is used as an adjective. My teacher has both wisdom and knowledge. Here teacher is common noun. Wisdom and knowledge is used as abstract noun. Slumdog Millionaire Millionaire is an Oscar winner movie. Here Slumdog Millionaire is proper noun. Oscar is also proper noun. Movie is common noun. Here 9 number Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal at Agra. Here Shah Jahan is proper noun. Taj Mahal is also proper noun and Agra is also proper noun. Here Shah Jahan used as a proper person. Taj Mahal is also the used names of the proper place. Agra is also used as a proper place. Now 10 number this room looks beautiful. Here room is common noun. Beautiful is abstract noun. Okay my dear. Now exercise number 2. Now exercise 2. Fill in the blanks using appropriate collective noun from the box given below. The Indian dash won the match. Here the answer is team. The Indian team won the match by 20 runs. The enemies came with their fleet of ships to attack us. The dash consists of 50 students. The class consists of 50 students. A dash of puppies made their house in my garden. Here, a herd of puppies makes the house in my garden. Fifth number, a dash of wolves attacked the lion. A pack of wolves attacked the lion. The elephant ate the entire bunch of bananas. 7 number, the team of director held the meeting at 8 in the morning. Here, my dear, we use board. Okay, sorry. The board of director. A board of director held the meeting at 8 in the morning. 8 number, a dash of people attacked the police station nearby. The correct answer is a crowd. Change the following words into abstract noun. False, falseness. Intelligent, intelligence. Youth, young, youth. Protect, protection. Hat, hat. Bound, boundless. Slave, slavery. Believe, believed. Sorry. Believe, believe, believed. Behave, behavior. Honor, ownership. Now, exercise number 4. Categories the given nouns as abstract noun or concrete noun. Here, glass, honesty, babies, book, wood, trust, love, Taj Mahal, cookies, care, knowledge, obedience. Here abstract noun is honesty, trust, love, care, knowledge, obedience. And here the concrete noun glass, book, babies, wood, Taj Mahal and cookies, etc. are the abstract noun. Okay, my dear, I hope that you have learned this topic, the noun, very well, and write down all this exercise in your notebook. Okay, my dear, thank you very much.